Hello all, this is day 9, just to show my progress. As you can see, everything is going down, the swelling is receding. I had a comprehensive kind of rejuvenation, upper and lower bleph, skin pinch, lip lift, lower facelift, neck lift, so I had a brow lift. I had a lot done, and as you can see, it's amazing the progress that I'm making in such a short space of time. The scarring is all receding. The scar for the brow lift you can barely see, obviously you can't see it in my hairline. It's all just making such fabulous progress. I can't be happier with the result, and I look forward to all the swelling going, which I know will take a bit of a while, you know. 6 months I might be looking really as I want to be, or even 12. Thank you.